Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a color. A natural example of this color can be seen in certain flowers. This color is produced by combining equal parts of red and blue light, creating its striking, vivid hue. It's a shade of pink. Let's learn how to pronounce it correctly. Magenta. 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 Magenta is crucial in the context of design and printing, helping designers and artists to create vibrant and eye-catching visuals. It is one of the primary colors in the CMYK color model, which is essential for color printing. If you enjoyed learning about magenta, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.